asleep.
Okay, now, what time you want? Okay, lounge car, dining car is this way. Third car, lounge car, fourth car, dining car. 10 cars going that way, okay. What time you want your bed down this evening? Okay, and what dinner seating you have? Any questions? Okay, any more questions? Very good. See you later. All right, my name is Charles. I'll be the attendant of this car. First of all, once you notice the emergency sign, you can emergency at the window. This is how you open and close your air vent. This is air from outside the train, also part of your AC, okay? All right. Reading light. Radio control is right there. The yellow button is to call me. I'll be on duty until 10:30. I'll be back before 6 in the morning. The white button right here, this controls the ceiling light. Put it complete in the opposite direction. Night light, put it in the middle of the church. Okay? Reading light, key control, you know that's an outlet. Plug anything in there that you like. Go into the restroom. You have one right across from the coffee station on this level right here. 3 restrooms downstairs and shower downstairs. Go into the lounge car, the dining car on this level going this way. 3rd car, lounge car, 4th car, dining car. Movie car about 10 cars going that way. What time you want your bed down for this evening?
You know what?
No.
No, it's just that she's just.
You might get hurt.
I did it on the Amtrak going up.
Oh, okay. And you might lose. I'm just going to make you lose my job. What time you want your bed down? If it's down, it's not going to bother you. But I'm throwing it back up. Once you put your bed down, you can sit up in the bed all night.
We're leaving right now?
Yeah. Yeah, they put the train down.
Am I going to have time to get off?
Yeah, you're going to have time to get off. Okay,